Hi all, I just wanted to do a quick demo on how to prepare to do a search in SnowGlobe. So go ahead and move to the Prepare Search tab on the left. And what you want to do is you want to upload a list of titles, DOIs, and PubMed IDs. You can do is you can click this. And this requires a very, very specific template that we're going to use. So let's go ahead and download that template and take a look at it. So this is in CSV format. It does not take Excel format as of yet. We see 4 columns: title, DOI, PubMed ID, or PubMed Central ID. What you can do with this is fill out as many of those columns as you'd like, but only one is necessary to complete the search. So what I have here is a file that I downloaded from my reference manager that contains a bunch of different fields, but it contains right here, we can see the titles. So, all right, let's go ahead and select all of the titles, copy, and paste them over to this title column. Right, and great. And so now we have this, and I'm actually going to save this template into our location. We've been doing this. So this is on the desktop. This is SnowGlobe demo. And this is going to be for upload. Okay. So now that we have that file set, let's go ahead and click on Browse and navigate to the folder, SnowGlobe demo for upload. Go ahead and upload it. And it's going to stage as many of these papers as it can find. Okay, so it failed on 5 papers. And here are the 5 papers. There's a number of reasons that it could fail. One of them would be the paper doesn't exist in the Microsoft database, or another option is that one of the titles doesn't necessarily match the ones in Microsoft Academic. So right here, I can go ahead and already tell that this is likely from a typo, right? There should just be a space in there. And these typos happen in all sorts of database management situations. So let's go ahead and reopen that file and look for that ran and double deficit theory. There it is. So go ahead and put a space in there. And now that paper should be found. For the other ones, we can see if they exist in Microsoft Academic. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this one in here. This one doesn't, so this is a thesis. I know this is a thesis ahead of time. This one does not look like it exists in Microsoft Academic. So this one you're not going to be able to stage, and you'll likely have to hand search. This happens a decent amount with theses that you're looking through. So don't worry too much about those. That is going to happen with theses. So let's go ahead and take a look now at this one. Rapid and automatic fish killing machine. This one doesn't seem to be present in here either. I know this is a thesis. Okay, so that's 2 that we're not going to be able to search using SnowGlobe. All right, this one, curious to know why it didn't find it. Timing deficits, paired readers, visual naming, and verbal fluency. So I'm going to go back to my original Excel document that has all of the information about these papers. Includes from initial search. And look for this paper that we can't find. It's called Timing Deficits and Impaired Readers. All right, this one is also a thesis. It's likely that's not why it didn't find it. And then finally, again, this is 3 theses of 52. This one, I think it should find, because I think that this one, oh, okay. So, it looks like there's some sort of extra tab character here at the end. That might be the issue for it. But this is Bishop in League 2006. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this title verbatim. Go back to my for upload. And then this was longitudinal analysis. All right, and we're just going to copy and paste right over it, see if there's any changes. All right, great. So we fixed 2 of the papers and 3 of the papers it couldn't find. So next time we stage this, it should find 49. All right, so let's go ahead and close out of those. Gonna go ahead and try it again. The same resaved document. Upload. Here goes the 52 papers. It should should stage 49 of them. Failed on 3. These 3 are theses. They don't exist. I'm going to go ahead and hit confirm, and these will populate. And then you're ready to either fetch your abstracts, download this list of papers, and or run search. Great. So I'm going to go ahead and stop there. And thank you so much for viewing.